Follow these simple steps to unlock vehicle. Step 1. In the event of an emergency where the smart key is not functioning, you can access the mechanical key by pressing and holding the release button. This will allow you to extract the mechanical key from the smart key, providing an alternative method to unlock or operate your vehicle when needed. Step 2. Use the mechanical key to remove the keyhole cover on the driver's door handle. For vehicles equipped with flush door handles, press the front portion of the handle to expose the keyhole located at the rear, allowing manual access in case of emergencies. Step 3. Use the mechanical key to unlock the door by inserting it into the keyhole and turning it. This provides manual access to the vehicle when needed. When the smart key battery is running low, the message, "The battery level on your smart key is low," will be displayed on the instrument panel each time you start the engine. To prevent potential inconvenience, replace the battery as soon as possible. I hope this information is helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions.